This is going to be the first video in a series of videos showing you how to use your Samsung phone. Your Samsung phones usually comes basically with the same format. First of all, the body. On the back, you usually have your cameras. On the side, you have your up and down volume rocker, and then you have your power on and off button. On the bottom, you have your speakers, you have your USB Type-C charging port. This is what you would use to charge your phone with. And then you have your SIM card slot. This is what you would use to insert your SIM card in for your phone. To add a SIM card to your phone, you'll need this SIM card remover. You simply take your phone and insert it into the little hole in your SIM card slot holder. Take it out. Take your SIM card and put it so that the metal is facing up. Place it back in the phone, and now you're ready to go. To turn the phone on and off, you press the power button on the side, and then you take your finger and you swipe up, and then you enter your code. So in this video, we describe Samsung's phone's basic body features. We also showed you how to power on and off the phone and how to add and remove SIM cards. If you found value in this quick tutorial, please hit that like button, subscribe, share, and comment. I'm Bertrand. Thanks for watching, and please come back and check out part 2 of this series on how to use your Samsung phone.